Hi, I'm Dan Watkins with All Four Seasons Garage Doors, and today I want to talk about your dream garage door, the hardwood custom carriage wood garage door. Now, the wood doors have kind of been a thing of the past as the last 25 years, but it's not a thing of the past if you are looking to put the most gorgeous doors on your home. Now, wood does require some maintenance. You're going to have to stain it every few years. You're going to have to condition it. That is the downside to wood. The upside to wood is it looks gorgeous. And what you're going to do, you're going to pick out a certain hardwood. It could be cedar, it could be hemlock, whatever that hardwood is. There's different prices, mahogany. These doors are very heavy. They're a little bit tougher on the hardware and your garage door opener. But again, if beauty is what you're looking for, these are the doors for you. We're gonna put whatever design. I can put whatever design you want. And the best news with the wood doors that I have, they come with insulation. In the past, you could never get any insulation. So that's where you would get a steel door with the insulation. With these doors, you're gonna get some insulation. They're gonna put some more wood on the back. You can paint the back of it. You can stain the back of it. You can leave it just the way it is. But when you see these doors, you're gonna really have an impact on your home. It's gonna be something that stands out, and it's really gonna show the class that you have in your home. So when you are ready for these wood doors, please give me a call and let me pick out the perfect door for your home. I'm Dan Watkins, All Four Seasons Garage Doors. We'll talk to you soon. Hi, I'm Dan Watkins with All Four Seasons Garage Doors. And today I want to talk about these new glass garage doors that you see all over the place. Now, you may see them in restaurants. You may see them in homes. You may see them when you go to a restaurant, and it might just be a couple sections that goes up against a bar. It could be a glass door that goes out to a deck. There's a lot of different applications for these doors, and if you get creative, you can really find a great spot for this in your home. One of the applications I've had is going out to my deck. We busted a hole in the wall of my basement, and it goes out into the deck. So now it shows like I have this huge glass window, even when it's down. But when the weather's nice, we lift it up, and you feel like you're outside. It kind of brings the indoors outside and the outside indoor. And so people are finding all these different applications for them. We can pick out different glass. We can shade it if you want. You can make it where somebody can't see in. You can tint it, low E, all these different glasses. We got different frame colors. This just makes your house sparkle if you could find the right application for it. And again, a lot of times it could be just a regular garage door, but other times we are trying to do stuff in a boathouse or going out onto the deck, or it could be in your kitchen, and you could make this a kitchen window. And it's really cool. We powder coat all the tracks to match the trim inside of your home, if that's what you're doing, or inside of your garage. And everything matches. It's unbelievable what we can do. So if you're looking for the glass garage door, we're your company. We've done thousands of these. My name is Dan Watkins. Again, All Four Seasons Garage Doors. We want to hear from you today.